Hey everybody, it's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make your birthday pop or how to make any party pop. Things are starting to get better, so we're able to gather now in smaller groups. So I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to make your party look aesthetically pleasing and for it to look good in pictures. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get updates on whenever I put out videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Tip number one that you're going to want to do is pick a theme. 90s to 2000s, a luau, or if you just want to do a color. Make sure that you do that first. With my theme or color, I chose rose gold. That was just going to be the main thing at my party because it was mainly just a small gathering. And I love the color rose gold, and I haven't done anything with that color yet. Second thing that I did was get some decorations. So I pretty much got all of my decorations from online. I went onto Amazon and I found this beautiful party pack, and it was rose gold, and it included basically everything: the plates, the banner, the balloons, the little streamer wall. So everything was included in the pack. I'll go ahead and put a clip of it right here. It was fairly easy to put together. I would say allow yourself plenty of time to put it together, even do some of it the night before. Like I pumped up some of the balloons the night before and did like the streamer walls and some of that the night before. The other thing that I got as far as decorations, I got the big number balloons. Everybody knows the big number balloons. You can get them from Party City. I ended up getting mine from Target. I'll put a clip of it right here. Another thing that I did as far as decorations that you definitely don't have to do to make it completely DIY, I reached out to my most favorite, the best event planning company, Events to Remember. I reached out to them and I got some beautiful linens that I use on my table. It's a beautiful rosette texture, and I'll put their information down below for anyone who's interested. Another thing that I had used was my ring light. It's the same ring light that I use for my videos. You definitely want to get one if you love taking bomb pictures for your makeup or from like a photography point of view. You definitely may want to get one. I'll include a clip of my ring light that I use. I just feel like it makes all of the difference. So you don't have to spend what I spent. You can get some. I think they have them as low as $20, $30. And I absolutely love mine. Third thing that you're going to want to do to make your party pop is you need to have a signature drink. With me, I mainly just kept it simple. I'm like a vodka girl, so I had vodka and I had different mixers that people could mix them with. The thing that I had was rosé wine. It was the same pinkish color, so it matched my theme. You never go wrong with wine, especially a sweet wine. So just as important as the drinks, you gotta have some food. So I did a Mediterranean cuisine. One, because I like it, and two, because it is healthy. The last things that I did that you don't have to do, but I think that is a nice extra touch, is including some kind of party favor, a pack of sparkly masks on Amazon, and I'll put a clip of them right here. Have a little clip of everything in person so that you guys can kind of see how the decorations turned out. I filmed it like a day after my party, so everything still looked pretty neat and how it looked originally. I'll go ahead and put that right here. When you get the package, it's going to be in a bag like this. And I'm showing you guys this after the fact, so I've already used everything, but you're going to get a pack of cake plates, dinner plates, and I stored them in a Ziploc bag for future use. The foiled balloons, napkins, I stored them back in the original packaging. The pretty little paper straws. These are like the sticky things to tack the balloons onto the streamer backdrop. So yeah, you just would use these sticky things to tape the balloons onto the backdrop. And then it comes with a bunch of cups. I had a whole bunch of cups left over. And when you first get the package, look for the balloons. They may stuff them in the top of the cups just like this. And then these are all of the balloons. They give you a whole bunch. It comes with the balloons with the confetti already inside. They give you rose gold and the clear ones. They give you some more of this confetti, and it comes with the runner. And like I mentioned earlier, the tablecloth isn't included, but you can definitely find your own and style it like this, or you can just do plain white. And I do want to mention that I think that they said that this is like a cake topper. This came with it. It came like you had to punch it out, and it came with like some stars and these little tube things. But I couldn't figure it out, so I just used it as table decoration. You could put it on your cake if you want, if you do figure out how to do it. But I just use it just as decorations on the table. And then this is the banner that comes with it. You will have to put it together yourself. It comes with a needle and the ribbon and the cards. And you basically have to thread the needle with the ribbon through each card, through each hole right here. And it didn't take me long, maybe like a couple of minutes. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this as well. This is included in the kit. 2 of these backdrops. As you can see, I kind of put mine right together so it looks like it's one big backdrop. And I do want to let you guys know with the backdrop, I had like a bunch that fell off in the process of sticking it up there. A lot kind of had fell off, or we might have stepped on some when we were putting them together. So that's about this is like the wasted streamers that fell off of the backdrop. And I didn't want to throw them away because I may use them for future use. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. And they do give you foil balloons. I did get mine blown up at a party store. And then these are the balloons that I got from Target that I had mentioned earlier, and I had them tied to some weights. Yeah, this turned out very, very nice. It's very DIY, do it yourself. Give yourself plenty of time. As you can see my little vodka there that I had from my party and my beautiful cards. And yeah, it's definitely do it yourself. Make sure that you give yourself plenty of time to get everything set up and get your balloons ready and get some help if you need it. So I had to slip back into my birthday dress to close out this video. Now I'm going to include a couple of clips and photos from my birthday weekend. In addition to my small gathering, we did go to a super duper cute girly photo shoot studio. It was so much fun and the pictures came out awesome. So I wanted to share some of them with you guys. And give your girl a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys so much for watching. And until next time, take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Courtney.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
33, I'm getting old. honey.